D-Day in the national capital as 1.56 crore voters decide the fate of 699 candidates across 70 constituencies in the highly anticipated and fiercely contested Delhi Assembly elections. The ruling Aam Aadmi Party is aiming for a third consecutive term, while the BJP is determined to wrest power and dethrone the incumbent. The Congress is also seeking a resurgence in the capital. Prominent figures like Chief Minister Atishi, Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal, the Gandhis, President Murmu have already cast their ballots. This election marks the first time since Arvind Kejriwal's resignation as Chief Minister. As of 1 p.m., over 33% voter turnout has been recorded, with the hope that the numbers will rise in the evening hours, as they usually do. The stakes are high, with Arvind Kejriwal himself contesting from New Delhi, facing a tough challenge from BJP's Parvesh Verma and also Congress's Sandeep Dixit, both sons of former chief ministers. Another key battle is in Kalkaji, where Delhi CM Atishi, Congress's Alka Lamba and BJP's Ramesh Biduri are in a high-profile three-way face-off. My colleagues Kritika and Nikhil have been getting us all the details from the national capital since morning. Kritika, first coming to you. What's the mood like in the national capital? Give us an update about the voting numbers, the voting patterns, and also what's the mood on the ground?
Right, Ashish. First of all, as far as the voting turnout is concerned, all over on an average, Delhi is recording about 33% of voter turnout. In fact, the highest turnout is being currently recorded at Mustafabad, which is above 40%, while the lowest at around 1 p.m. was from Karol Bagh. And currently, we're at the Kalkaji constituency. In fact, this is poll B block poll booth. Sir, you just casted your vote. We just wanted to understand what your issues have been in these elections. So we are seeing that a lot of voters are trickling in and out of this specific booth. However, on an overall basis, the turnout in Kalkaji also is well below the average for the city as well. We're seeing that different demographics have also now started coming in, while in the morning, on an average, we were seeing more senior voters turn up. Now we are seeing more spread in the demographics. The younger voters have also started turning up. And just a while ago, when we were speaking to voters who had already cast their votes, they were telling us about their issues as well. Ma'am, you currently live on Mirror now. Sir, आप लोग के issues क्या रहे हैं कालकाजी specifically में जब अभी आप लोगों ने अपना vote cast किया? What have your issues been on which you've casted your vote currently?
बताओ वरुण. इश्यूज ज्यादा कुछ नहीं. हमारा तो वही रहा है कि एक तो वुमेन सिक्योरिटी जो है, ऐसी कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं. फर्स्टली थोड़ा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो कालका जी का है, ब्रोकन रोड्स, तो बस हमारा तो वही इश्यू रहा है ज्यादातर.
जी बाकी बहुत वर्ष है, रोड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, फुटपाथ, रोड्स, पार्क्स, ये सब
बेसिकली रोड्स, पार्क्स आर ओके, बट
ऑल अक्रॉस कालकाजी में यही हालत है रोड्स का.
आई हैव सीन ज्यादातर यही देखने में.
Does it get worse in during rainfall in the monsoon?
Yes, it does.
And waterlogging is also.
Yeah, waterlogging is also.
So these are, thank you so much for speaking to us. These are few of the issues that voters are also talking to us about. In fact, the condition of roads is something that more or less every person we have spoken to at this particular booth has pointed out to us. If not in the entire Kalkaji district specifically, then they're also pointing out how towards Govindpuri also this is the similar scenario. What we're seeing at this polling station is that apparently a lot of people are also quite well known to each other. So there have been times when we've seen people hugging each other as well. So that has been a good moment, an endearing moment, in fact. But as far as more issues are concerned, a lot of them have also pointed out to us how pollution also remains to be a persistent issue, because that is also affecting school hours for kids and impacting the working hours of parents, also being disruptive in the way it is being currently dealt with. So these are some of the major issues that voters will be keeping in mind while they cast their vote. Remember, Kalkaji is quite a hot seat as well. Yes, Ashish.
Absolutely, Kalkaji is a hot seat, and of course, Nikhil also joins us right now. Nikhil, you just heard Kritika there. She was speaking to a few voters, and they were, of course, talking about the issues that matter to them, and clearly, women's safety, civic apathy being the top issues. If Nikhil, you can hear us right now, help us understand what exactly are the issues that the people are facing where you are. What are the key pointers for voting? All right, we seem to have lost our line there with Nikhil, but meanwhile, this is, of course, the trend that we're looking at. 33%. 33% is the voter turnout. In fact, Nikhil continues to be on the broadcast with us. Nikhil, you just heard Kritika there speak to a few voters, and clearly the voters are talking about various issues: civic apathy, road, women's safety. But the big question is, have they also voted based on these issues, or have they chosen to go and choose the political lollipops that are on offer by every single party?
So Ashish, this is something which we will get to know once the results are out on 8th of February. But as we speak, the voting is currently underway, and currently we are reporting from outside one of the polling station in the New Delhi constituency. This is the Lady Irwin School, where earlier today Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal, along with his family members, have cast their vote. And gradually all the voters are coming in here, and this is one such constituency where the voter turnout is very much low. We are trying to speak to some of the voters who are coming in after casting their vote. Ma'am, thank you so much for speaking to us. What are the issues, according to you, which were dominating during these elections?
क्या issues हैं?
Development. All about development only.
अभी पिछले 10 सालों में आपको लगता है कोई बदलाव हुआ आपकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी को लेकर? क्योंकि एक बड़ी अलग सी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी है। वैसे तो एनडीएमसी का यहाँ पे रूल है, लेकिन केजरीवाल का बहुत ज़्यादा इस पर हस्तक्षेप नहीं हो सकता। ओवरऑल कैसे देखते हैं आप सारी चीज़ों को?
ठीक है, दोनों गवर्नमेंट ठीक है, कोई भी आती है ठीक है।
मैम, एक वेमेन वोटर होने के नाते क्या लगता है आपको, वेमेन के क्या इश्यूज रहे इस बार, या किस चीज़ को ध्यान में रख करके आप वोट देने निकली?
मैं निकली हूँ वोट देने के लिए ये सोचकर कि हमारा आगे फ्यूचर क्या होने वाला है, कि आगे सब लोग प्रॉमिसेस तो करते ही हैं, बट आगे क्या वो कितने पूरे करते हैं। पीछे जिन्होंने पीछे जो पहले थे सीट पे, उन्होंने काफ़ी प्रॉमिसेस पूरे भी करे, और मेरे जितना भी स्टाफ है वो बहुत खुश था उनसे, जो रहता है दिल्ली में, तो वो तो फिर फैक्ट करता ही ना, पहला काम किसने क्या करा हुआ है।
मैम, इस बार आप कोई चेंज एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं? आपको लगता है कंटिन्यूटी के नाम पे वोट हो सकता है इस बार दिल्ली में? कुछ इश्यूज विमेन होने के नाते कुछ तो इश्यूज होंगे जिनको लेकर के आप
ऐसा कोई इश्यूज नहीं है, बस ये है कि लेडीज सिक्योरिटी होनी चाहिए, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है। जब हमारे बच्चे घर से निकलते तो हमें डर लगता है, बस ये होता है। और तो ठीक है, जैसे सब चल रहा है ठीक है।
Okay, thank you so much for speaking to us. So this is the voice of the voters who are gradually coming in at this particular location. There is another family as well which have gone inside. But as we speak, Ashish, the voter turnout appears to be very much low, and the lowest has been recorded in the New Delhi constituency only. And the highest has been recorded, as Kritika, my colleague, was telling, that Mustafabad is the one which has recorded the highest voter turnout. But apart from it, the northwest is the overall constituency, which or the district, so to say, which is recording the largest turnout, so to say. But still there are 3 hours left for the conclusion of the voting, and as we speak the voting process is slow, but it is currently underway. So we need to see as to what exactly the overall voter percentage is going to remain in the overall capital city and for the New Delhi constituency as well. But there are still many of the areas in central side, in the New Delhi side, where the people are not coming in huge number. This is the reason as to why earlier today many of the big leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party, from the Bharatiya Janata Party as well, they made an appeal for the voters to come out in huge number. But as we speak, the voting is underway. We need to see as to what exactly are the kind of issues, and this is something which will only be out once the election results are announced from the side of the Election Commission. But these are the issues, and we have spoken to the voters as well about the same. Back to you.
Absolutely, absolutely. Many issues there, but interesting that in such a hot seat we are seeing such low voter turnout, and of course our leaders as well appealing to voters to turn out. In fact, our appeal as well to all of you who are watching right now from Delhi: if you haven't voted, do go out and vote and ensure that your voice does count. In fact, Kritika and Nikhil, really appreciate you joining us on the broadcast with all those details. In fact, viewers, our colleagues also spoke to some of the top leaders who are in fray this election. Take a look.
बीजेपी लगातार कह रही है कि 50+ सीट आ रही है उनकी।
बीजेपी को लगता है कि गाली गुफ्तार करके, गुंडागर्दी करके चुनाव जीते जा सकते हैं, सीटें आ सकती हैं। तो दिल्ली के लोग बहुत समझदार हैं भाई, गाली गुफ्तार पार्टी को नहीं, पढ़ाई लिखाई वाली पार्टी को वोट देंगे, लड़ाई वाली पार्टी को।
अच्छा, जब आप लोगों के बीच में जाते हैं तो बच्चे आपको शिक्षा मंत्री के तौर पर देखते हैं या क्या कहते हैं? पुरानी आपकी यादें किस उसमें, क्योंकि बीजेपी बहुत सारे आरोप लगाती है, शराब से जोड़ती है, घर से जोड़ती है।
ये सड़क पे जाता हुआ एक बच्चा है जो अभी आपको मिला, क्या नाम है बेटा?
साहिल।
इन्हें जानते हो? कौन है?
मनीष सिसोदिया।
क्या करते हैं?
वो क्या बोलते हैं, वो है
सकती है शिक्षा मंत्री।
देखो ये सड़क चलते हुए बच्चे जब आपको प्यार करने लगे, रेस्पेक्ट करने लगे, तो इसका मतलब कहीं ना कहीं उनके दिल में जगह बन रही है और उनके घर में उनके माता पिता के बीच में ये चर्चा है कि ये आदमी इनके भविष्य पे काम।
Sir, what is the ground situation that you have seen so far for the Congress Party?
Well, for the Congress Party, I have been active in the campaign. I have seen it's a perfect triangular contest in which Congress has come back again because people now are comparing last 10 years with earlier regime of the Congress Party in which lots of development took place. And people are also fed up with daily tu-tu-meh-meh between the LG and the CM because the kind of slugfest which was going on in Delhi in which the Chief Minister used to criticize the LG and LG used to criticize the CM. So people are fed up with that kind of developments in Delhi. People want real development to take place. People don't want any blame game to take place further. So people are still, now people are remembering what Congress did. And people still remember what Congress was able to do even when the BJP was in power at the center. So people want that kind of development, people want that kind of culture of governance which only Congress can provide.
All right, let's